Hey everyone, so if you are the guy that want to start a new YouTube channel without showing your face, without recording your own voiceover, without writing the script by yourself, and without editing the video by yourself, we will be doing all this by AI softwares. And you can see that this channel, we started this channel on October 13, and now you can see that till November 29, we are getting around about 5 to 6 to 7,000 views per day. And I have just recently applied for the monetization, and we are waiting for the monetization status on this channel. But this channel will be monetized as the content is totally original, our own content. And now you can see that in the last 48 hours we got about 8100 new views on our different videos, and the channel is pretty new. Within a month we just got 1584 subscribers. If this is what you want, then guess what? There is a good news for you, as I have mentioned all these details in my this course. And just wait for a few seconds that you don't need to buy this course. I will be giving that for completely free. But let me just show you exactly what I'm going to cover in this course. As you can see that in the introduction part, you can just go and preview what exactly I'm going to cover in this course. And by the way, I will be leaving the outline of this course at the end of this video. And but let me just show you exactly what I'm going to cover in this course that you are going to get for completely free. Decrease the price from 89 to $19.99, and now with a further discounts is it's $13.99, but you will be getting that for free. Just stick to the very end of the video and I will show you exactly how you can get this course for completely free. So you can see that the first lecture is that how you can create a YouTube channel. So I will be walking you through a step-by-step process from the start to the very end of the video. So the first step is to creating the channel with optimization. So first step is to create the channel. Then I will show you exactly how you can choose the most profitable niche. And the best part is that I will share 81 different most profitable niches in this video. Then the third video is how to choose your name. I will be showing you an AI software for completely free that will be choosing a catchy and most attractive YouTube channel name for you. So the fourth part is how to optimize your YouTube channel and creating the logo and panel. As you can see that I will be walking you through in a step-by-step process of and covering each and everything that is related to YouTube. Then comes the finding most engaging YouTube video ideas. I will be showing you exactly how you can find the most profitable YouTube. I will be showing you exactly what kind of videos your viewers want to watch and what kind of videos you need to create and where you can find those videos. Then comes the how to write YouTube video scripts. I will be showing you three methods of how you can write the script, and one of them is AI software. I will exactly show you that how you can write the script using AI software. Then comes the voiceover. I will exactly show you that if you want to record your voice, then how you can do that, as you can outsource it to someone else. And I will show you some free softwares and paid softwares of AI voices that you wouldn't believe that those are AI voices. You can see that it is 12 minutes 36 seconds video where I will walk you through a step by step process of finding the voiceovers that sounds like a real human. You would be surprised to know that these are the AI voices. Then I will show you exactly how you can convert the script and the voiceover into an engaging video using AI software again. This will reduce your editing time by 10x. And finally, I will show you that exactly how you can upload your videos to YouTube and then optimize it so it will start getting ranking in the future. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hold yourself back, as I will be showing exactly in a step-by-step process of how you can do this. So all you need is just to click on the free coupon code link in the description box or in the comment section, and the first 100 person who buy the course using that link will be getting this course for completely free without using your credit card or debit card details. So I believe This course will change your way of thinking of content creation on YouTube. So see you in the course.